Maybe we can use it to make it like a necklace pendant here. Let's try. I'm going to use the wire 0.6. Put beads in the loop. Yes, I think so. I was thinking about this. Okay, this wire a little thick, so I prefer change to use the 0.4. Hi, hello, Kayla. Happy to see you. I'm good, thank you. How are you? Okay. Small beads. I think put the beads between the hearts. Or here, where to put the beads? Let me just check how to do with it. Okay, I'm going to use the wire to make a band. So going to make it like a necklace pendant. It can be a necklace pendant or a earring. Both work. Hi. Happy to see you. Okay, here. Bend the shape later after we bend the here. Okay, let's go. We are wrapper 1, 2, the most simple wrapper here. Okay. Let's wrap it. Go through the first way. It can be make it as the different way. Hi, happy to see you, girl geek. Hi. Thank you for your like. We are a channel share with you how to making the jewelry here. So I wrap it here. Then back to the bottom and again the bottom, then the two. Okay, rub the two together. Yeah, thank you. We have another channel, total 2 channel of mine. We have another channel here. If you want to see the free tutorial more than near about 700, you go to DIY for you Della US. Here is another channel of more detailed free tutorials. Yeah, this is another channel. Della DIY for you Della US is another tutorial page. We have 2 pages for free tutorials. Here and wrapper here. This here and again the wrapper two. Okay, then let's go wrapper the top and here, then go through the loop here, attach the second here, 1 2 and wrap here. One, two, then wrap here, wrap here. Thank you so much for your like. Here and 1 and 2 and wrap the top and again go wrap here, tight, and wrap 1, wrap 2, 1 2 here. Yes, while wrapping. Yeah. One and 2, 1 2 here, 1 2 1 2. Okay. We are a channel that not only use the wire to make a jewelry, we also use a lot of the chains and beads making the jewelry. Here. One, two, 1 2 1 2 up Here. Actually, it's not a ring. It's going to try a charm. It's going to try as a necklace charm. Here. This one. Here. Studying at it when I should be paying attention. Yeah. Here. Go to try. Have a try. Two. Wrapper. Two. 1, 2, 2. Here. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Hello, Mary. Happy to see you. And 1, then 2, and 1, 2. Here. Wrapper. 1, 2. 2, 1. We're going to use this one make a necklace charm. Here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Wire wrapper. Tight. 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay. We can finish the wrapper. Tight. Okay. Then here we make, and next we will go to bend the shape band here. This one is a round tube. We're going to make the shape here. Okay, so here is the way that we made. The end, let's make it like a loop. Fold. Fold it. Here. Here. Make it the double here. So finally it's come like this. I will try to make the chain myself. Okay. So you need black beads